Hey guys, we're getting ready to start shooting next year's calendar the next week or so, and so I have to get the front of this new garage cleaned up here now that the tile work is done, and it all actually turned out just way better than I had any expectation. So we're going to put it on the front cover of this year's calendar, so I really want it cleaned up, and that means that we have to move the old straight 8 Packard and the 1940 Dodge. So here's a little video of us getting those things going. Our friend Keith stopped by, of course, which was awesome, because Keith's pretty easy to spend a few minutes with, and we had a good laugh getting the old Packard going. Hope you guys enjoy. Keith's here, or, well, I guess it's Keith.
Yeah. What kind of car is this, Keith? It's a Rover.
There we go. Thanks for filling us in. Sweet shirt today, buddy. Nice.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, everybody.
For anyone who knows.
It's kind of become expected of you now to have the best shirts, so. Good. The old Rover P5 doing well, looking good, going down the road.
Yeah.
A little bit of road scum means it's getting driven.
Yeah, that's from today driving here.
Yeah, well, so you've come to the right place for scum. Okay, except for Frankers. You're not scum, are you? No.
Okay, set it up to 95 the other day.
Does the speedometer even go that high?
Yeah, it goes to 110.
Wow, 95 miles an hour. You must have been on the wood.
Nope.
No? It had more to give?
There's more.
There's more. Handsome car. And a few not so handsome cars here today.
Oh, I don't know.
If this car was mint, it would be a very lovely car. We want to be getting ready to shoot some of the calendar, and I want to show off the new building here. So we've got to move these jalopies, and it's good to fire up these cars at least once a year and keep them semi-operational. I can't remember, does this car have a control panel in it? So we just need fuel and
battery.
We need a hose and a tank. So brand new battery. Thank you. $200 battery, $100 car.
Oh, and it's just a little big.
That's good. That's how you know it won't fall out. Okay. Of all the automatics, this is the one that blows me away. Like, how does this thing still move? That's good enough. It just has to be touching there. Okay, this is fuel pump. So, nice. Ooh, that was some nasty looking shit, eh? We might want to put some freshy. I have a feeling that we're flood. We should give that a little tap. So sometimes they float and stick down after sitting all year. Okay, she should start. Ready?
Unreal.
What a car, eh? Ooh. Let's just run it.
I don't think there's any in it.
No, there's nothing. So.
There's one over here.
Yeah, because then we can let it run for a few minutes and, you know, smoke the yard up, which is fun.
It wasn't really smoking.
No, not yet. No.
Is that tight down there too after
Which? Here?
we... Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll try it. If it leaks out, it'll tell us where it needs to be tightened up, I guess.
Oh yeah, it's empty.
He's trying to empty everything before the end of the year. But this, like, how does this transmission still work? That blows my mind.
We've never touched it.
Yep. This thing was shut off before I was born. The transmission just fine. Can you imagine what the inside of that transmission must look like, Bun?
Hmm.
Do you want to know? Nope.
Well, maybe.
Oh, let's strap that Jerry down so that it doesn't fall over the minute I try to drive it. Okay, so we're going to back up.
Yeah, these are so heavy, eh?
There's no brakes on this thing,
Okay.
so everybody use appropriate caution. And I'm going to go straight up and park right in front of the Torino. This car started very well, though.
Yes.
It seems to always do.
Smokes pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weird, because it was running better before I started. Like, as soon as I started getting into it, it started going but I guess we don't really care. Was that easier than towing it?
Yeah.
No. Was it more fun? Yes. Hey, look at that. I'm wearing my Packard shirt. That was just a straight coincidence.
Nice.
Nice.
And this is much smellier.
This is way smellier than the tractor, yeah. One of my favorite yard junkers, 1940 Dodge.
So we don't need to open this side, do we?
No, I don't think so. Oh, this side, the little spring is missing.
Yeah.
Must be a thing that holds it up.
There you go. Perfect.
Yeah, that's good. It's a robust prop, eh? I just seem to think the last time I started this, it sprayed oil all over the place, and so I went and grabbed vice grips and I just pinched it off.
Wasn't that the Vic? Or the Buick?
Yes, that did it too, and so did
Oh,
that.
okay, fair enough.
No, they all do it, but this one has an external oil filter, and there's a line running up to it, and I think the line has rotted out. And something tells me I had a pair of vice grips on there.
Okay. Make noise.
piece of crap. Look at this. Oh, wow. Did you hear it fill up? Oh, she's leaking a bit.
Yeah.
Where's it leaking from?
Okay.
No, the carb's leaking.
Oh.
I think our hookup is fine. It's leaking at the carburetor.
Yeah. It's wet right at that contact.
This fitting here has to turn into this. That's the rule. Everything must turn into an epic show. And he says, content. The content must be fed. Yeah. The algorithm loves fuel pump issues. What is going on? Why? What is the matter with my life?
This will be your high drama moment of the video.
You'll slow-mo it.
Yeah.
That was easy. Coil, check. Fuel pump, check. And we're gonna go. Okay, poo-poo dogs out of the way.
Yep.
Running 10 minutes ago.
That was
This has been parked in the field since before I was born. Did you see the plate on this?
1964.
Yeah. And we had the head off of that because it was all stuck. And cleaned up the valves and everything.
Vaguely remember
And
the episodes.
yeah.
Episodes.
No new parts. Old plug wires, original plugs, original everything. And that's how it starts. One crank. Well, she can go too. You want to come for a ride? Get in. She loves this one. This is Franker's favorite car because it smells so good.
Huh? Right?
Okay, let's try it. Crackle, crackle. Okay, you ready, Frankers? No, you can't put it back. You have to stay here with us. Good girl. There you go. All right, here goes. No, I can't do it. That was impressive, hey?
That was the fast ride all day.
Think how good your car is going to feel now.
Think how clean your jeans are now.
And the springs in my back.
Oh yeah, comfy, eh?
Acupuncture.
Well, that's good. She made it. It runs so well.
Is the clutch slipping?
No, it's just at the end of its life. Like,
No more adjustment.
No, I had to do a bunch of adjusting just to get it to do anything at all. Well, I think maybe it wouldn't disengage. That's what it was.
So you might have lots of clutch.
No. No, I don't think so. I'm impressed. This thing doesn't even really smoke. Like, for a car that has no business being a running car, it sounds good.
Well, I think Bun's looking forward to rebuilding the transmission on this.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Oh, you have to do my Belvedere first. Because that one actually has plates on it. Well, we're about half cleaned up anyway. We'll keep going on this building until we get her finished. I got some touch-ups to do, but I just absolutely love it. Agent 2112. What a guy. We got more coming up on Agent 2112's Barracuda as well. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. We had a pretty good time, and I really do love this 1940 Dodge. I'm not really sure that anything can be done with it. Kind of unfortunate. If this grille wasn't so badly damaged, this car could actually be considered for putting back on the road. But anyhow, I think by the time you found a good grille, you'd probably be buying a whole car, and then you're probably fixing the wrong car. But bought this lovely old Dodge from the same fellow that I bought the tractor from. I bought this one, and I bought a 52 Pontiac and the tractor all at the same time from the same guy. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a terrific week, and we'll see you in a couple days. Cheers. What you looking at? This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.